It's a cold one today, but I have the first mod for the Honda Fit for the daily in the new year, and I am excited for this. Something I've been wanting to do for a long time. It is a intake for this car, and I am so excited for this. Also, quick little update on this unit. It has crashed on me twice, but other than that, it works really well. You just go in, reset it, and it starts back up. It takes like 10 seconds. That's the only downside to this so far. Other than that though, it's been great. So let's go unpack the box and go ahead and install it. Ooh, I'm excited. Another unboxing. Oh man, no plate frame. Oh, kind of really wanted one. Hell yeah. This is the HPS intake for my Honda Fit. I am excited. In the box, I got the filter, charge piping. Everything here to install the intake on the Honda Fit. Should be pretty simple install to do. I'm gonna look over the instructions to make sure I know what to do, just in case I don't want to screw anything up. But yeah, this is my intake for my 09 Honda Fit. It is by a brand called HPS. Did a Black Friday sale, and I was like, oof, that's a good price. I cannot beat that. So let's get it. Let's pick it up. I'm gonna go ahead and read up on it, on how to install, and give it a try. Let's go. I have no idea how to install this, but I'll figure it out. I feel like I should be able to. Can't be that hard, just a few bolts. Yeah, let's give it a try. I don't think I'll do much recording, just because I want to get it out, and there's so many videos on the internet of, you know, how to install an intake, so it shouldn't be that bad, but let's see. First thing is first, I'm going to take out the battery. All right, we had to change of plans. I was missing a 10mm bolt, so I had to go get another one. Had to delay it by a day, but not a big deal. So wiper cowl is off. A lot more space here. That was hard to take off all the wipers and the cowl and the motor for the wipers, but there's so much more room here. So let me just finish tackling this job. Honestly, it's not hard, it's just tedious. That's it. All right, let's get back into it. Great progress has been made. Stock intake is out. Just, I'm hyped. All right, let's get the MAF onto the HPS intake. Put her back in, and ooh, I can't wait for the noises. Okay, that's as far as I can go. Just put this in here. There you go. And this goes in here. Like that. Okay. That's it, it's done. All done. That took about 2 hours to do, I want to say. Honestly, I'm not a mechanic at all, but look how much room there is now. You can do all the shifter bushings and all that stuff. I know Cutie makes some pretty cool things for this car, but all right, let's fire it up and see how it sounds. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright guys, so I've had the intake for about a week. Honestly, it sounds really good. I'm really happy with how it came out. When I hit over 3.5 RPMs, you can really hear VTEC, which is crazy. I love it. And you shouldn't be able to feel any horsepower gain from intake. Now this may be all in my head, it may be a placebo, but it feels faster. My butt dyno says this car is faster than what it was before. Is that weird? Is that crazy? I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but it just feels faster, you know? And so I hope you guys can hear it. This engine is loud, so hopefully you can hear the intake over it. If not, I'll just try to do my best to put some clips of just you guys hearing the intake, because I want you guys to hear what I'm hearing, because it sounds so good. I swear it's faster, guys. I swear this thing is faster. Oh my god. See, it just sounds good and it feels faster. And no check engine lights as well. This not one single issue with the motor or anything. No check engine light, no rattling, nothing. Everything sounds perfect. Oh, it sounds so good. Especially the high RPMs, it sounds really good. Yeah, it feels faster, and it just sounds really good. It just sounds so good. If you have the money, if you have a fit, this is something you should definitely look into. It was, honestly, anyone can install it. I'm not a mechanic at all. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Jesus, this thing is flying, dog. This is yo. Oh god. Don't get me wrong. It's not like really fast, you know, but like it just picks up. It's so good. If you have a Honda Fit, guys, if you have a Honda Fit, go out and get an intake. Guarantee you won't regret it. Okay. I need better brakes now. Jeez. There goes my gas mileage because I am. Oh man, this is my daily. It should be my daily. It should be good on gas and reliable. But man, I'm the problem. I swear I'm the problem. Jesus. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. Again, Happy New Year, y'all. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.